Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen like so, and then locate the battery saver, power saving mode, whatever it's called right here, which might not be added by default as I'm actually not seeing it. So we're going to click right here on this square, and we're going to select Edit Switches. And you can see there is our power saving mode. So once you see it, you can then hold it. The text right above my finger, as you can see, changes. So you can then drag it to the top. Oops, try that again. Drag it to the top, drop it. And when you select done, this will now be in your toggles. So from here, simply tap on it. It does give you a pop-up the first time around, which you can disable, as it might get annoying. You might want to check the box right here to not show this again. But the message states that power saving or save power by disabling features such as always on display and auto sync. Now this is the one of the most vague explanations. There are even worse ones. So before you enable it, I do want to explain what this message here states. The always on display, it's fairly self-explanatory, but the auto sync, now that one is the most important option, and yet it's basically just kind of glanced over with the explanation. So what it refers to, it will disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. And because of that, you will experience that notifications will be delayed or just not delivered at all. Both of those could be true, as the explanation here, auto syncing is basically turned off. Cool. It doesn't really tell me if it's gonna do anything extra outside of that, but so you might have two options. Either it's going to delay notifications or just not deliver them at all when you're not using the device. And that would include any application that requires internet connection or mobile data. And obviously that's a lot of applications. So just be very wary when enabling your power saving mode. Now once you enable it, it only gives you this kind of leaf right here to signify that it is right now running. And once you're done needing your power saving mode, you can just find the toggle once again and tap on it once more to turn it off, and all the changes will revert back to the original state. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.